Hi guys, now I am gonna show you how to prepare chicken biryani in South Indian style with the help of my friends. And first let's go with the ingredients. Here we got some ingredients like green chili, tomatoes, mint leaves, sliced onions and rice soaked in water. Let's start with the preferred oil in the vessel and heat with medium flame along with some ghee. Once the ghee and the oil get moderately hot, we will be adding some garam masala mix like bay leaves, cinnamon stick along with some cashew nuts. Now the sliced onions are being added and we need to wait until the mix turns into golden color. Next, add some enough salt into the mix. In the meantime, cinnamon, cardamom, fennel seed, pepper, bay leaf, dry chili, jeera have to be mixed and powdered with the help of mixie. Now it's obvious the mix has turned into the golden color, and this is where the already sliced ingredients are added in. Mint and coriander leaves are added as well. Mix this nicely and give some time. Now it's time to add some ginger and garlic paste. Once again mix this nicely. Biryani masala can be added to make it spicier and tastier together with powdered mix. Add some essential quantity of water into the mix. Now fried onion. Next, chicken have to be added. Make sure you got enough quantity of water in the vessel. And finally, basmati rice into the mix. Our biryani is almost ready now. Our channel's purpose is to educate the audience on international foods which are protective as well as entertaining in nature, especially to those people who are under lockdown situation due to coronavirus outbreak. Cover the vessel with aluminium foil and close with lid. Now please wait around 20 to 25 minutes to taste an authentic chicken biryani. Here we go. Our biryani is ready to be tasted. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now our biryani is ready. This is South Indian Chicken Biryani. Please try this at your home. Secure and safe.